Hey everyone, my name is Deepak and today I'll be telling you the step-by-step process of how you can create your image in a snow covered with mountain. This is trending all over the internet, so I thought why not cover this topic in today's video. So what I've done, I have created two prompts, one for man and one for woman. I will first copy this prompt. This is for the male prompt. I'll just copy it. I'll go to Gemini. I have already uploaded my pic. I will select the create image option, which is nano banana. I will just paste the prompt and I'll simply hit on generate. It is getting generated. We will also explore, we also give motion to these images. Let's see what kind of images does it generate. See what a wonderful collage it has created of me standing in snow. Lighting is also proper, a collage. I'll just download it. Now I will copy the second prompt which I have created for the woman. I'll just copy it. I'll go to Gemini. I have already uploaded the pic of the woman. I'll just paste the prompt. I'll select the images option and I will hit on generate. You have to upload a clear image of yourself so that you get the clear output of you standing in snow in a mountain covered with snow. It is generating. Let's see what kind of image it has generated. I will just see. It has generated a wonderful image of the woman. I'll just download it. I will go to Flow TV. I will select the frame studio option. Now we don't have the video prompt. So what I will do, I'll go to ChatGPT. We don't have video prompts for it. No worries, we can generate video prompts with our trick. I'll upload the image and what I will write, I'll just make a proper JSON video prompt of this image. I've given the voice command and it will generate a proper JSON prompt of this image. See, it has analyzed the image. It has analyzed the image and I will just see. Prompt is still getting generated. It is a very long prompt. As I've mentioned it, make a proper. So it is generating a proper JSON prompt. So I will just copy it, go to Flow TV, upload the pic, and I will select the portrait option. It has come and I will select it is getting uploaded the pic. Now for my image, we will use Grok to give motion. It is getting generated. By that time, what I will do, I'll go again to ChatGPT. I will upload my pic and I will copy this prompt, same prompt, and I will just hit on generate. It will make a proper JSON video prompt. See, it is getting generated the prompt. See what a wonderful lengthy prompt it is generating for us. See what a wonderful prompt it has given us. I'll just copy it. Now we go to Grok and you have to select the imagine option on the left. In this, what you have to do, if you upload the pic first, it will automatically analyze the image and generate the prompt. Now what I have done, what I will do, I will first copy the prompt, then I will upload the pic. Now it will directly upload the pic. It is generating the video. See, it is very fast, faster than Flow TV in generating videos. See, Already it has crossed 55%. I will wait for 20 to 30 seconds more. See, it is so fast. I'll just show it to you. See, it has done a decent job, but not that bad. I will regenerate it again. I'm not happy with the output. I will see whether Flow TV has generated or not. Flow TV has generated. Now we'll have a look at it. I will full screen it and I'll play it for you. A wonderful video it has generated. Wonderful video it has generated. And we will download it. Now I will go to Imagine. Let's see. This is a decent output, I would say. I will just download it. So this was for today's topic, and that's it from my side. And thank you for listening to me.